Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use college Wi-Fi for games. First, always check your college's specific network policies regarding gaming to avoid any issues. Next, ensure your device is properly connected to the campus Wi-Fi network. Finally, remember to register your gaming console or personal computer with the IT department if their guidelines require it. Following these initial steps will set you up for a smoother gaming experience on campus. To boost your gaming connection, consider using an Ethernet cable for a more stable and faster experience, potentially increasing speeds by 10 to 20%. If your router allows, prioritize your gaming device's traffic to ensure it gets sufficient bandwidth. Also, remember to close any unnecessary background applications running on your device. This frees up valuable network resources for your game, making a noticeable difference in performance. Encountering connection problems can be frustrating, but there are simple solutions. First, always check for any network outages or scheduled maintenance announcements from your college's IT department. A quick restart of both your router and gaming device can often resolve many common connectivity glitches. If issues persist after these steps, do not hesitate to contact campus IT support. They are there to help you. For a safe and smooth gaming experience, always use strong, unique passwords for all your gaming and college accounts. Be mindful of any data caps or bandwidth limits that your college might impose, as exceeding them could lead to slower speeds. Finally, avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive gaming activities, such as making purchases, to protect your personal and financial information from potential risks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.